So now what we have done, we were able to finish creating or using a visual to show the total revenue or profit for a certain time interval. This is done. Return quantity is done, and order quantity per product name is also done. Now we are going to see how we are going to get the total quantity order per product subcategory and also product category. Let us go and see how we can show the total quantity per subcategory and product category. For this to happen, let us go to data tab. Let us go to product first. So this is the product table, and let us see what kind of columns we have in this table. So as you can see, I'm having the product key, the product subcategory key, the product SKU, the product name. We are not having the name of the product category and also the subcategory. The only thing which is available is the product subcategory. The only thing which is available is the product subcategory, right? So in this case, what I need to do, I need to create a relationship between the product table and product subcategory table. Let us see the subcategory table. So here we have subcategory table. This is the subcategory. So here in the subcategory, I have the product subcategory key. This is actually the same column which we have seen on the product table, and also I have a product category key, and I have another table which is containing the product category. So what I need to do is I need to link the product table with the product category and subcategory, because in my product table I'm not having the name of the product category and subcategory. All what I have is the product subcategory key. So I will use this column to connect with a subcategory table, and I will use a subcategory table to connect with a category table. Let me show you how to do that. We will go to the relationship tab, and then here we have a product subcategory and we have also product category. Okay, so now we are going to link between the product and the product subcategory by using a certain column which is a product subcategory key. I'm going to drag that from product table into the product subcategory table in this way, and now the relation will be created. Also, I'm going to link between the product subcategory and the product category. As you can see, there is a shared column between them. There is a key column, and that key column is product category key. I'm going to drag that from product subcategory to product category, right? In this way, I have created a relation between product and a subcategory, and between subcategory with category. In this way, what will happen? I have also created a relation between a product category table and product table. So this is actually one of the ways to create relationship, one of the indirect ways to create relationship between tables, and we call it snowflake. We are connecting tables to each other indirectly. Also, we notice that we were able to create a relationship in this way between the product subcategory and the product category with the sales, because sales is connected with the product, right? There is a relation between sales report and also product table, and also product is connected with product category and product subcategory. So in this case, indirectly also we were able to create a relationship between the sales and product subcategory and product category. Let us see how this will help us to create a report. So this is actually the report view. What I'm going to do, I'm going now to choose one of the visuals. I'm going to choose the bar chart, and I will shift those visuals a little bit to the right side, and now I have this bar chart available here. So what I need to do, I need now to go to the product category, and I will choose let me just check. I will choose the category name. So I want to show the category name versus the order quantity, right? So this is the order quantity. Now, as you can see, what I have three category, which is clothing and bikes and accessories, and I can see that most of the orders are coming from this category, which is accessory. Okay, this is half of the requirements. The other half is to show also the product subcategory. For this to happen, I have two options: either to choose another visual and to do exactly the same. So I am going to choose the product subcategory name versus the order quantity, or I can apply it within the same chart. So I can actually make use of this chart to show two different things: the category name and also the subcategory. So to do that, I will go to product subcategory. I'm going to go to subcategory name column, and I will drag it to the axis here. So below category name. So below category name, I will have also subcategory name. In this case, this chart now will be able to show two level of data. Will be able to show the category name and also a more detailed report about the subcategory name. Let us see how to do that. So to do this, I will click on the visual, and then after that I will click on go to next level, and with this we have now different subcategory names, as you can see, and we have the order quantity per subcategory. And if I want to go back to the order quantity per category, I can just click here. It will go to the upper level, and if I want to go to the next level, I just need to click down here. So in this case, my chart can be used to choose or to actually show different kind of data using the same chart,